Higalas Bull Club Season 9 Captains versus Spartans. Boy, nakuha ni Abelia. Boy, Westbrook, easy one. Westbrook. Cupcake. Pass to Gumapo. Gonzales to Cupcake. Cupcake to Gumapo. Gumapo, no good. Boy, rebound by Aniro. Nice rebound. Abelia to Liray. Liray, defense by Gumapo. Ay, defense by Aniro. Blackbird. Baksog labay sa bola. Gonzales. Gumapo. Oy, nice shot. Gumapo. Liray pa rin. Pass to Westbrook. Number 10. Oy, defense. Gumapo again. Pass break. Cupcake. Gumapo. Wala. Rebound by Busing. Symbol position. Symbol. Gumapo, back to back shot. Gumapo. May kondisyon na, uy. Liray, nice pass. Number 10. Wala. Nakuha ni Westbrook. Nakuha ni Liray. Westbrook. Foul counted by Westbrook. Nice one. Boy, no good. Rebound by number 10. Bola sa team Captains. Cupcake to Anero to Gumapo again. Ay, lumabas. Nakuha ni Gonzales. Wala. Rebound by Anero.
Foul jersey number 10. First and foul. Shot 14.
Cupcake. Pick. Uy, nice pass. Uy, defense by nakuha ni Abelia. Pass break by Westbrook again. Back to back shot. Ay, kondisyon na kayo eh. Anero to Gumapo to Blackbird. Ay, wala, Blackbird pa rin. Blackbird. Oh, bay, power kayo bay. Lolo. Oh, magkabayo na. Kondisyon kayo. Liray to Soleiman. Wala. Nakuha na Gumapo ko sa kimodagan. Nice pass. Cupcake. Grabe nga pasa by Gumapo. Nice pass. Liray nakawala. Liray pa rin. Wala. Rebound by Gonzales. Cupcake naman yung ball. Pass to Gumapo. Anero foul.
Foul jersey number 28.
Time out Team Spartans. Score 10-6 in favor sa Team Captains. Yeah, short.
One point.
Nice pass. Ay, wala. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Anero. Smiling kayo. Gumapo! Grabe ka kondisyon. Lo. Uy. Kapit to. Uy, wala foul. Cupcake foul.
Foul jersey number 8. Complete.
Nice one.
Kapit.
Westbrook.
Gulila.
Loko.
Tulay.
Ay, defense by Gonzales. Cupcake. Cupcake. Ay, sayang. Aniro. Abelia. Nice pass. Number 10. Jump shot. Okay, lumabas. Soleiman wala. Blackbird, nice rebound. Blackbird to Anero. Gumapong! Oh, bisura ito eh. Abelia. Why na Malik? Suleiman. Suleiman nakawala. Uy. Foul, foul.
Jersey number 10.
Nice one. Last draw, last draw. Gumapo. Uy, double. Treble, treble. Leray. Leray. Leray for 3. No good. Nice rebound. Gumapo pa rin. Gumapo to Anero. 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 Dumiretso na. Wala. Oops. Ay ka. Ano to ni Abelia? Foul. Foul Blackbird.
Foul. Jersey number 13.
Violation.
Third entry. Free throw by Jersey.
Kaket over Blackbird. Blackbird for 3. Wala. Anero again. Grabe ka kondisyon. Anero. Suleiman. Susubok ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Blackbird. Gonzales. Gonzales. Oy. Westbrook.
Bolilaga.
Ay, sayang. Liray. Westbrook. Oy, nakawala. Ay, sayang. Risikas ka diya. Gawas niya. Wala pa rin. Grabe ka ni Pinsa. Wala yan. Oh. Liray. Liray. Westbrook. Grabe, dagko kayo nasgawas. Oy! Napasa sa kalaban. Gumapo, pass break. Murag kabayo, mudagan. Gumapo! Nice one by Gumapo.
Seconds to play.
Liray.
55
Ako na lang. Wala yun. Nakuha ni Liray. Number 10. Long to Fowens. Uy, na-shooter man di oh. Shooter man di.
45.
Blackbird. Walang katao-tao. 3. Wala.
35.
35 seconds. Suleiman. 2 points. 28 seconds. Score 24-10. In favor pa rin sa Captains. Cupcake. Pass to Blackbird. Blackbird. Wala. Rebound by Liray. Liray pa rin. Gumapo. Wala. Time for the first quarter. Score 24-11 in favor sa Captains. Time for the second quarter. 24-11 in favor pa rin sa Captains. Oy, Busing, number 23, gilid, wala. Rebound by Yap. So, Versosa. Versosa 3. Uy, lumabas. Number 18. Mambayas. Uy, nice pass. Patay na. Diara. Number 22. Sa left ng kamera. Number 1. Pass to number 72. Short. Nakuha ni number 1. Foul. Foul by jersey number 11. Number 72. Uy, nice pass. Ay, sayang lang. Kauban ra. Nice rebound by Huyad. Huyad to Kano. Uy. Travel. Uy, nice pass. Huyad. Huyad nakawala. Ay, wala. Huyad pa rin. Nagoy. Gilaan tawa niyang ring. Anong itong di ma-shot? Gambag-ambag as Kano. Number 1. Wala. Nice rebound by number 22. Foul by Kano. Symbol position.
69. Second total foul.
Mambayas. Wala.
Two balls. Mambayas.
Kano. Number 24. Wala. Number 24 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Mambayas. Mambayas kusok kay Muragan. Oops, save the ball. Uy, ay ka. Number 18. Number 18, walang katao-tao. Tomera ng 3. 3 points. Number 18, nice shot. Versosa. Walay kauban. Kano. Kano. Oy, nice pass. Ay, gihulog sa kalaban. Foul counted. Perfect. Time out. Same Spartans. Score 11-34 in favor kayo sa team captains. Uy. Kana kay nice one, nakawala. Short. Rebound by number 72. Mambayas. Number 1. Pass Mambayas. Mambayas. Uy, wow, abiyali ako. Ikumot ang bola na. Oy, defense. Number 72. Mambayas. Kano. Nice pass. Nice pass. Uy, mantikan pa.
David Mitchell 2 points.
$11.40.
Foul number 24.
Paul.
2. David
Rebound by Kano. Tuara. Wala pa rin. Uy, tigil.
Ball bounce.
To score 40-11 in favor sa captains. Buseng.
Shot up 40.
Number 18.
Take the shoot.
Number 18. Number 72. Uy, defense. Versosa. Uy, travel.
Bersosa.
Wala. Ay, Versosa pa rin. Ay! Wala. Yan. Malas. Loh. Ay, gampag nagkalit na. Loh. Ay. Binas kasi na ba yun? Masyate ng wisip lisod na. Tris. Oyad. Oh.
Shot up 40.
Uy, langkat na yung sapatos. Langkat ang sapatos, di ba? Expire na pala pa. Uy, kasogra.
Ball bounce. 35 seconds. Morales, wala, picture rebound.
Bang Bayas, wala. Rebound by Hoyad. Hoyad, kana. Tris. Wala pa rin. Eh, nagpa pa rin.
20 seconds.
Wala yun, oh. Malas si Bay. Hoyad. Wala yun.
50. Foul number 11. One point.
Foul. Uy, 5 to shoot. Versosa. Kano. Baser. Nako. Wala. Not counted. Scored
Basket not count.
13-47 in favor sa captains. Free throw 5. Pwede free throw. 5? Tulo. Duha. Perfect. 2 points. Valeray. Sa Picas, si Blackboard ang mag-free throw.
Isa.
Loh, biga sirbul kay mo itsa no. Loko. Biga sirbul bay. Nag-practice man niya itong gula nga bag-o bay. Grabe basad. Wala ka. Gili-ili pa niyang rinit. Wala ka. Di ka kasi piat na.
Masyad ulan.
Wala si piat bay. May Blackbird na. Time for the third quarter. 50-15 in favor sa Captains.
Okay.
Cupcake. Cupcake rebound the ball. Pass by Adiser. Adiser 3 seconds ka dia gawas dia. Cupcake.
10-6.
Number 88. No God. Rebound by Westbrook. Leray. Leray. Ay ay. Big man wala.
There's a call. Foul version number 6. The bad first. First and foul. John Tell.
Oops, nangaligid na. Jumble.
Jumbo. Team captain basketball.
Number 6, the big man.
Upah.
Kuara, nakuha na yun.
2 points.
Westbrook. Whoops, Leray to Abelia. Abelia! No God! Rebound by Blackbird. Cupcake. Pass to number 88. Oy, defense by Abelia.
Symbol.
Nice one. Symbol. Adiser. Cupcake. Adiser. 3 seconds by Blackbird.
3 seconds violation.
Leray. Leray to Westbrook. Abelia, susubok ulit ng 3. Wala pa rin. Adiser. Oops. Adiser, nag-iisa. Wala. Rebound by Westbrook. Leray. Oy, defense. Symbol. 15-54. Lamang kaayo ang team captains. Leray to Abelia. Ay, nice pass. Oy, defense.
Nice defense.
Symbol.
Symbol.
Kana, Sharo. Wala pa rin. Cupcake pass break. Is, uy. Nagduduha mag-liap. Cupcake, ano naman to? Uy, wabit. Uy, wala ba eh. Oo. Liray. Nice pass. Lagpot si Liray. Oops. Adiser. Wala. Leray. Pass to Westbrook. Good. Cupcake. Uy! Sipit pa pasa. Bola sa Spartans. Score 15-54. Oops, muntikan pa. Leray, susubok ng 3. Guara, Leray, 3 points. 18-54. Gamay na lang. The big man.
Justina.
Wala. Oy, nice stop. Leray. Oops. Abelia. 3 na. Abelia to Leray. Ay, ka, Paul.
Foul number 88.
Bola sa Spartans. Leray. Leray again. No good. Jersey number 88. Pass to Cupcake. Cupcake to the big man. Big man, wala. Defense, oops. Nakuha ni Adiser. Adiser, wala. Pass break by Leray. Leray, si Juan.
Survives Leray.
20-54. 34 na lang ang lamang. Kamay na lang. Cupcake. Cupcake. Ay, wala. Rebound by Blackbird. Nice one by Blackbird. Two minutes and third quarter. Westbrook.
Dorinada.
Westbrook. Wala. Nice stop. Ay, nakuha na number 88. Ay, kusugra. Nice defense by Leray. Leray. To Abelia. Abelia again. Wala pa rin.
Yeah.
Wala yan. Cupcake. Pass to Adiser. Adiser.
Basket 2 points. Adiser.
Latos man. Nice defense.
Latino.
Oh, wala. Rebound by Blackbird. Blackbird. Blackbird to Cupcake. Cupcake sa gilid. Jump shot. Nice one by Cupcake.
Points. Capitano.
Abelia. Uy, symbol.
Simple.
Oops. Symbol. Leray to Abelia. Westbrook. Pass to Leray. Leray nakawala. Ay, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Leray.
55. Tingin.
Abelia, wala yun.
31 rebound. 2 points. 31 na.
Agay.
30 seconds.
30 seconds in third quarter. Cupcake to pasa sa labas, number 88.
2 points.
Score 64-20. Latos kayo.
15.
Tres, Abelia. Wala yun. 10 to shoot. Cupcake, susubok ng tres. Wala. Time for the third quarter. Score 20-64 in favor sa Captains. Time for the last quarter. Suleiman, 3. Wala. Rebound by number 72. Uy. Stepping na daan. Hoyad. Bersosa for 3. Wala pa rin. Symbol.
Simple.
Hoyad. Abelia again. Ay, nasyatra yan. 3 points by Abelia. 23-64. Oops, muntikan pa. Nice pass. Nice pass by Gumapo. Bersosa. Bersosa foul by Mambayas.
Antique foul. Version number 24. Foul.
Abelia again. Wala. Rebound by Mambayas. Gumapo. Nice pass. Oy, defense by Bersosa. Nice pass.
Nakaplay. 2 points.
Pass break. Ay, defense. Mambayas. Grabe ka condition man bay sa Muragan bay. Nice pass bay gumapo. Oh, abi nga pasok.
Number 2 boys, Morales.
Bersosa, wala gyud. Gumapo. Mambayas. Ay, gibali-bali po. Defense. Suleiman, oh wala.
Simple.
Defense bay gumapo.
Steal.
Oh, de. Mambayas. Nice pass. Number 22. Oh, ala. Rebound by Bersosa. Bersosa. Pass to Abelia. Abelia, no good. Rebound by Busing. No good pa rin. Wala yun. Mambayas. Nice pass. Ay. Teamwork kayo, teamwork. Score 74-23. Uy, layo kayo. Bang. Ikapoy na, ikapoy. No! Nadipis ba?
2 points for the man.
Uy, time out.
Sparta.
Time out. Spartans score
26.
25-76 in last quarter. Back to the ball games. Nice pass. Ay, wala.
Suleiman.
Uy, Suleiman. Nice rebound. Ang tanong nanulod din dagko. Wala man eh. Dawag naman eh. Anero. Oy, nagdula na sila. Nagdula na sila. Liray. Dagko kay ilalom na. Goy, tres. Oops. Nice pass. Ay, wala. Adiser. Suleiman foul counted. Suleiman.
Foul, jersey number. David.
Kapoy na makaluya kayong lamang 76-29. Kuratan mo sa tanim mo ya.
2 points.
Ha?
Still.
Box ha? Ah, wala man. Sakay ta? Ay, maadla si kayo.
Jersey number 6 and sportsmanlike foul. 2 free throw as ball position. 1 point. Another 1 point. Thanks. Ball on the bounce.
Abelya. Wala yun.
Goodbye, Sanisel. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. 80-31 in favor sa Captains.
Now
Rebound by Blackbird.
Justin has 2 points. Goodbye, Sanisel.
Oh, Abelya. Bersosa.
Sosa. Ball bounce. Last 1 minute. 7 ball play.
Uy, gwapo nga moves.
Nice move.
Ay! Nice one by Bersosa.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Wala na, GG na.
Shot clock 15. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot.
Tuwara, ako
Two
kaya.
points and one. 30 seconds.
Wala na. Blackbird, wala na. Ningisag 3.
Again.
Winner, Team Captains.
Clear.
86-36.
20 seconds. 15.
Nice game. 86-36. Winner sa Blackbird. Team Blackbird. Nice game. Bonus. Wala yun.
Final score 86-36.
Nice game.